Alright family, I'm back at it, man. Gonna be a little bit of noise pops out here cutting the grass, but I'll get up under here. I'll show y'all what I'm doing.
I don't take shortcuts.
You see that right there? Alright, so I'm gonna pop that guy off, which is the gas line filter, I want to say. I'm gonna pop this off. I'm gonna put the air compressor on it and force air that way, and then force air back that way, and see if we can't clean this line out and get some gas going to the fuel injectors. So I'm gonna try to leave the camera running while I do it. Hope y'all can see that right there. See that guy in there? So it's just a clamp there. You gotta unscrew that, you know, to untighten it. You're gonna spin it to the left, which is what I'm doing there. Spin it to the right, it'll tighten it. So all of this stuff has been on here for close to 40 years, so everything is rusty and so on. And I'm probably gonna get bit by a spider while I'm down here for y'all, so better comment and like this video. Oh shit. Y'all see all that gas pop right on up out of there. Alright, now we gotta get this other guy off. I bet you ain't don't no gas come out from this side. So filter is off. I'm gonna pick up another filter right now. Be right back, guys. Alright guys, so what we doing is we got an air hose on the other end, and I'll show you that in a second. And we blowing air through it, trying to unclog this hose. You can go ahead and blow it. Oh yeah, it's coming through. It's coming through. Y'all see what he's doing right here?
It's blowing back this way. It's coming back this way.
Out of what? Do that?
No. Right here. Feel like it's coming back.
Is it just coming out, or is there a hole in this thing somewhere?
Oh no, check. You didn't put no new holes on there?
Nah. Air can
squeeze it, you'll see. It feel different. See?
It is a little different. Seems like it's more pressure coming up. But look at that right there. All right, but look. All right, but look. You got glasses on? Where your glasses at? Watch how this. You see that fuzz right there?
Yeah.
Watch how this fuzz is about to move. It's coming right out of there. That's why it's doing that. I'm looking at the fuzz move every time I do that.
So you think it's going all the way through?
I believe that it's coming out more pressure because it's releasing back this way from that crack right there. I think that's what you're feeling and what we're hearing.
Okay.
It's that because like I said, it's coming directly out. Put your finger right there. Put it right on that crack. It's coming right out that crack there. But the clamp will be back further than that crack, so there ain't no problem.
You can cut that too. Cut that off. That part, you know what I mean? You can cut that part off, that split.
Alright, so now I'm gonna
raise the hood and blow it from the other end?
Yep.
They said they had a lot of trouble with the throttle body, but I never had no trouble with this thing.
Who is they?
People that I've ran into, but they never had a Corvette. They just had other throttle body cars. You know what I'm saying? They had problems with it. But I never had no problem since I owned this car with the throttle body. The throttle body carburetor. The first fuel injection they had, they called it throttle body. Crossfire injection.
Got 4 bolts in here that gotta be removed. Those guys there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gotta do some ratcheting.
Yep.
It is. I'll get y'all that close up action. Alright, we got all 4 screws unscrewed here. Now we're going to be able to just slide this guy right up over the injectors. There we go, we got the top off here. Now our fuel injectors are exposed, and what we're trying to do is get to the fuel line. See this line there? I'm gonna take this, put it in there, and spray it back up through the holes to try to clear this way as well. So I don't know if you guys can still see it from here, but I told you what I'm doing. So alright guys, through a whole bunch of troubleshooting, as you see we got the injectors out. I was trying to pop this off, didn't need to. Got the gas lines here, running here. We got them unscrewed here. We just cut the car on after installing the new fuel pump, and gas finally started coming out of here, which before no gas was coming through here. So
where's the key in there? It's short.
Oh yeah, good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we ain't gonna get none of that before.
Nope. It's just, you know.
That's beautiful. Give it a little start. Let's see.
That's just because you had gas down in there.
That's the injector shooting it in there. The injector shooting.
Did that one shoot it all? Still nothing?
Nothing. But that fuse on the